I will explain the adult swimming method called total immersion. Total immersion is not a swimming technique for competitions, but a way of swimming to enjoy the water. I first learned about total immersion through a course on Udemy. Udemy is one of the online learning platforms. I chose this course to learn swimming online. The regular price is 999 baht, but it often goes on sale. The sale price is 399 baht. This course includes 1.5 hours of video, 33 lectures, and 3 ebooks. It's a very affordable course. This course introduced a person who started swimming at the age of 93 in one of the ebooks. I watched the YouTube video that was featured. In the video, they were swimming with a coach, synchronizing their movements with the coach's swimming style and gliding gracefully through the water. I was amazed to see that it's possible to start swimming at 93 years old. What's more, their swimming technique has been improving every year. I was truly astonished. I watched this course seriously. It doesn't talk about anything complicated, nor does it require power or stamina. After all, if you can swim even at 93 years old, so can I. Total immersion is based on theory. It doesn't rely on mental toughness or physical strength. Learners first master balance, then streamline their body, and finally learn propulsion. This forms a pyramid structure, with balance as the foundation and the most important aspect. This method is especially suitable for adults and allows for improvement even through self-study. I searched online for people teaching total immersion. I found someone offering lessons even in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Now, I take lessons twice a week from Mr. Frederick. Total immersion is a swimming method designed for adults. It doesn't require power. Balance, body streamline, and propulsion are the key elements.